Today, we make chicken biryani.
Follow my recipe. We use these things.
Add garlic, green chilies, and chopped tomatoes. Fry chopped onions. Done. Then add chicken. Fry chicken. Add the paste. Add spices. Add whole clove. Add biryani masala. Mix. Cook. Paste is almost ready. Add water. Boil it. Add rice in it. Cover for 5 minutes. Add biryani's color. Add biryani's color. Cover for 15 minutes. Ready. Look, it's ready. Our spicy and tasty biryani. Thanks for watching. Must share your opinion. I hope you like my biryani recipe. Like, comments, and share please.